Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short video, I'll show you how to create your vendor account so you can start selling. The whole thing takes less than 3 minutes. Let's go. Start at resogra.com/become a seller. On the page, you'll see a form. The first field, called company, is your shop name. Type the name you want customers to see, for example, Mama Adwoa Cloth Company. Next, pick your plan. Resogra is free to start, so the default, gold of $0 per month, is already selected. Leave it as is. You can upgrade later if you want more features. Enter your first name and your last name. This is the real name on the account, not your shop name. Resogra uses it for vendor payouts and tax documents. Type the email you actually check. This is where Resogra sends your order notifications, your verification code, and your monthly sales summary. Make sure it's accurate. Write a short description of what you sell. 2 or 3 sentences is plenty. This is what customers read on your shop page, so make it warm and clear. You can change it later anytime. Fill in your business address, country, city, street, and zip code. Customers never see your address. Resogra only uses it for shipping calculations and tax filing. Read the vendor agreement and the terms and conditions, then tick the box to accept them. These are the rules of selling on Resogra: fair, plain English, no surprises. Finally, click the Apply button at the bottom of the page. Your application is now with our team. We review every new vendor manually, usually within 1 business day. You'll get an email the moment your account is approved. That's how you create your vendor account on Resogra. Once your application is approved, your dashboard is ready and you can list your first product. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Resogra.